VOPs, it is June 16th, and for the new charge, it is June 5th.
June 5th?
Yes.
Did you hear
Thank you,
that?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Savannah Mitchell.
Shavetta Mitchell. Ms. Mitchell, you're here on a warrant issued by Judge Harb for having violated your felony probation. The bond is set at no bond. Would you like an attorney to help you with this?
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
I don't know at this moment.
Can you afford to hire your own lawyer?
Maybe.
Public defender's appointed. There's probable cause based on Judge Harb's warrant.
When is my next court date, sir?
Next court date,
June 16th.
June 16th. Your lawyer will be in touch with you.
Okay.
Marissa Morgan.
Marissa Morgan, you're charged with 2 third-degree felonies, criminal mischief, punishable by 5 years in state prison, and some kind of harassment or stalking, third-degree felony, punishable by 5 years in prison. Your bond is set on the criminal mischief at $5,000. I'm setting your bond on the other count also at $5,000. There's PC based on the affidavit. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, please.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defenders appointed to represent you.
Kylie Odom Lyons.
Odom. Okay, Ms. Odom, you're charged with 2 first-degree misdemeanors, resisting without violence, and trespass. Each is punishable by up to a year in jail. You're on bond in a felony case, 26 CF 2984. I find probable cause for these new charges. That violates your bond on the pending felony. You'll be remanded to custody to be held no bond on that pursuant to Parker versus State. I'm setting your bond on the new charges at $1,000 on each count. Do you have a lawyer already representing you in the open felony case?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Would you like to be represented by an attorney?
I already am, Your Honor.
Who's that?
Ed, my attorney,
Ed.
my public defender, Your Honor.
Your PD, public defenders appointed on these new charges as well. Okay? So tell Ed she's picked up some new charges.
I don't know Ed's last name, Your Honor, but well, I'll find out.
You find out who Ed is.
I can look on the computer.
Mr. Ed.
That's correct. But I will look on the computer, ma'am, and let him know. Okay?
All right.
All right.
Okay, next.
Akira
Rivers. Ms. Rivers, you're charged with 2 first-degree misdemeanors, each separately punishable by up to a year in jail, trespass and battery. Your bonds are already set at $1,000 on each count. I find probable cause based on the affidavit that came in. Would you like an attorney to help you with this?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defender is appointed to represent you.
Rosius, R-O-S-I-U-S.
Rosius, Derilia Rosius.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
you're here on a warrant out of St. Lucie County. St. Lucie County will come and pick you up, or they should, or there's a purge amount of $1,500. If you pay $1,500, you can purge and be released. Otherwise, St. Lucie County is going to come get you. We're going to set this case for 2 weeks, reset it to make sure they come and get you in the meantime if you haven't paid the purge amount and been released. And that date will be
5/28.
5/28. Okay? Okay, thank you.
My next court date,
Portia Simmons.
Okay, what's your name?
Shay Simmons.
Simmons. Ms. Simmons, you're charged with DUI, a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail, or at least it's some kind of misdemeanor, but it's punishable by up to a year. And then child neglect, a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in state prison. Your bond is already set on the DUI at $1,000. I'm setting your bond on the felony at $5,000. I find probable cause from having reviewed the affidavit. Would you like a lawyer to help you?
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
Public defenders appointed.
Thank you.
Ashanti Studemeyer.
Okay, Ashanti Studemeyer, you're charged with possession of cannabis, misdemeanor, resisting without violence, first-degree misdemeanor, paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor. Each of those is punishable by up to a year in jail. You're also charged with second-degree misdemeanor, driving on a suspended license. That's punishable by up to 60 days in jail. I find probable cause, having reviewed the affidavit before court. Let's see, what's her deal? VOP plus new charges. Where's the VOP? Is that in there? Something there, VOP. Oh, I see. 2 of those charges, or is it, no, you also have a violation of probation on a felony case. These new charges violated your probation. You'll be held on no bond on the VOP. I'm setting bond on your new misdemeanor charges at $1,000 on each first-degree misdemeanor and $500 on the second-degree misdemeanor. As I said, there's PC for all of them. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
All right, public defenders appointed.
Can I have my court date, Your Honor, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
June 16th for the VOP and June 5th for the new charges.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I have a quick question, Your Honor, real fast. How many charges? Because I know they told me it was only 2. You had a lot.
You got 4 new misdemeanor charges and the pending felony violation of probation. That's a total of 5, if you want to look at it that way.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
Uh-huh.
Wiley Walker.
Riley.
Riley Walker, you're charged with domestic violence battery, a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail. Let me see your prior history. Oh, that's not it, is it? There we go. Nothing much?
Yes, sir.
That's it? Okay, I'm setting your bond on this at $1,000. If you post bond, it'll be as a condition of pretrial release. Further conditions of pretrial release, no contact with the alleged victim, no weapons. You understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Your next court date is June 5th. If you post bond, don't be late for court. The judge will issue a warrant for you. And remember, no contact from this moment forward until a judge tells you otherwise, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Judge, did she want a PD?
Hmm?
Did she want a PD?
Oh, I forgot that. You want, ma'am, do you want to be represented by a lawyer on this?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defenders appointed.
Jamie Emerson.
Jamie Emerson, you're charged with possession of methamphetamine, a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years in state prison, and possession of paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail. Extensive prior history. I'm setting your bond at $5,000 on the methamphetamine and $1,000 on the paraphernalia.
Yes, sir.
There's probable cause based on the affidavit. Do you want a lawyer?
Yeah.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
PD's appointed. Eric Arroyo Santana, you're charged with resisting an officer without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail. I'm setting your bond on that at $1,000. That violated your probation, a felony probation apparently, and you'll be held no bond on the felony VOP. There's probable cause for the charges based on my review of the paperwork. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this?
Yeah.
Public defender's appointed.
I didn't know when to break in with you because I hate to interrupt the judges. I did have a challenge that I wanted to make to that.
Oh, you did?
So Deborah Goins on behalf of Mr. Arroyo Santana. With regards to the resisting without violence charge, this is one where the officer specifically stated that his investigation was hampered because he had to check and see if Mr. Arroyo Santana had a medical marijuana card, and apparently allegedly Mr. Arroyo had told the officer that he did. But in every case I've ever seen, the officers always have to verify, just like they do on a driver's license. They have to verify whether he had the card or not, so I can't see where that would have created an interference with the investigation because he was doing something that would have to typically be done anyway. Just taking the word of an accused is not considered sufficient for probable cause.
Well, he also tested positive, which would also violate his probation.
Oh, I'm not saying that. I'm only talking about the resisting without violence. He said that the reason he resisted...
Okay.
And
I'm gonna throw you a bone here. I'm gonna ROR him on that count, but the rest of the affidavit still establishes a violation of probation for a felony.
all right,
So
I
you'll
assume
still be held no bond on the VOP, but we'll ROR him on the misdemeanor count.
very good, Your Honor, and that's what I assumed the court would do.
Okay.
When is my next court?
Next court date's gonna be,
The 16th and the 5th.
and did I already appoint a lawyer on that? I did, didn't I? Yeah. Okay, the 16th and the 5th, 16th on the VOP, 5th on the misdemeanor. You have a lawyer representing you. Okay?
Okay,
How
thank you.
about Jeremiah Bonney, is he next? Okay, good. Open bond. You're on bond in cases MM 253870, MM 253871, MM 253872. You're remanded to custody to be held no bond pursuant to Parker versus State on those charges, those pending charges. In the meantime, your new charges are DWSR, an M2 punishable by up to 60 days in jail, and then there's also a warrantless VOP arrest based on that misdemeanor. You'll be held no bond on the VOP as well. I'm setting the bond on the M2 at $500. There's probable cause based on the paperwork. Do you want to be represented by a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
Public defender's appointed. Sign that one?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Eric Carnahan.
Yes, sir.
All right, you are here on a charge of evidence tampering or attempting to destroy evidence or remove evidence. And that's a third-degree felony, I believe, punishable by up to 5 years in state prison. And possession of a prescription without a prescription, that's charged as a third-degree felony.
And, Your Honor, if I may, Deborah Goins, when the court's ready, I do have a challenge, right, to probable cause on Mr. Carnahan.
Go ahead.
All right. First of all, in the affidavit that released in my possession, there's no evidence or indication of a test for the alleged methamphetamine. And secondly, there is no evidence in that affidavit about Mr. Carnahan allegedly possessing a prescription without having his prescription. Because what I'm seeing is, on the booking sheet, it shows,
Well, post Miranda, Mr. Carahan advised the white substance to be methamphetamine.
I'm talking about the charge about what they put on the affidavit.
This is Florida Highway Patrol.
Yes, exactly, and sometimes they're different, that's
They're
correct.
not just different.
But what I'm seeing here is,
I don't need to say more.
I don't see the charge that they're talking about.
Well, there's PC, I would find PC for the methamphetamine because he admits it was methamphetamine. Even in the absence of a
But they
test.
didn't test for it. And
I
they
know.
have to verify it.
That's what he said. It's a PC standard. It's not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Let's see, that would be the F3, and the bond's already set at that at 5,000. And then the other charge is tampering.
They charge that as an F. They charge that as an F3, which I don't think is, at the very most, be maybe an attempted tampering, because nothing was done with it. I think the allegation was that it was under his, if I'm not mistaken, under his.
Yeah, actually, I read this before and I wondered about it myself, so. The officer observed him clenching something in his hand and proceeded to put it under his right armpit. I don't exactly know how that's removing it, or he's trying to conceal it, potentially, and maybe that qualifies.
I'm saying, I think
Destroying, altering, concealing. State, you got it?
Your Honor, I think there's probable cause of this full attempt on this one.
Well, what would that be, an M1? I guess.
Yes.
All right, I'll find PC for an M1. So we'll set the bond on that count at 1,000. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defender's appointed, probable cause is as we discussed. Okay, Dorian Crossdale. All right, you're charged with M1, domestic battery, punishable by up to a year in jail, and throwing a missile at a car, and F2, punishable by up to 15 years in prison. Your significant other was also arrested in connection with this matter. I think I've probably already dealt with her, haven't I?
I don't think Jump was called. Was she in custody?
I don't remember that either. Maybe she
Or
already,
maybe they didn't, I don't think they had her on the list.
maybe she already bonded out.
I have her on the list, I just don't show if she's like.
Jump, Jump.
We went past that name, they skipped it, so I'm not sure if she wasn't there or.
I don't think she's there, because on my docket, they
Okay.
normally say central or south, or that's.
She bonded. I'm hearing that she bonded. Okay.
Is she?
All right, Mr. Crossdale.
Yes, sir.
So I've reviewed the affidavit, there's probable cause. Because you don't, because she was also charged, both parties arrested.
Yes.
What, she posted a $1,000 bond. Do you guys live together?
No, sir.
Any reason, okay, your bond on the battery's already set at $1,000. The other charge is a second-degree felony, but I'm going to set your bond on that one at $5,000, which is more typical of a third-degree felony. If you post bond, you may not have any contact with Miss Jump. That means you have to, no calls, no phone calls, no text messages, and you have to live somewhere else.
There is a different comment sheet in here for her.
Oh,
and
there
she
is.
does wish to have contact.
Oh, she does?
Yes, sir.
Well, she wants to have contact with you. I'm going to change it. You can have contact with her, but no violent contact. That means no verbal threats, no physical violence, no written threats. You can't own, use, or possess weapons while these charges are pending. Does she want to reside with them? No, they don't reside together. You have to,
They don't live together, Your Honor.
all right, you cannot live together while these charges are pending, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your bonds are, well, I'll make it 1,000 on each count then under the circumstances. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you need a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire one?
No, sir.
Public defender's appointed. Kevin Crow.
Never made it from book.
What's that?
Doesn't come from booking.
He never made it from booking.
All right, make sure he's on the docket tomorrow. Okay? Is there a docket tomorrow? I guess there is, yeah.
Yes.
Make sure he's on the docket tomorrow. Cecil Douglas?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're charged with a possession of paraphernalia, M1, 1 year in jail, methamphetamine, F3, 5 years in prison. You have an open case, 25 CF 10643, no bond on that pursuant to Parker versus State. I'm setting your bonds on these new charges at 1,000 and 5,000. 1,000 for the misdemeanor, 5,000 for the felony. PC based on the affidavit. Do you need a lawyer?
They found a dirty lighter, they said. That's in the dirty bag on the first case, so I don't understand why they keep putting me through this.
Well, I guess their attorney may be able to help you explain that. If you
Yeah.
want one, do you want a lawyer?
Yeah, but waste his time too.
Can you afford to hire one?
No,
Public defender's appointed.
I'm terminal. I don't need time for this shit.
Well, make sure you discuss that with your lawyer as well. That might make a difference. Edwards, Jeremy.
Yes,
You're
sir.
charged with 3 first-degree misdemeanors, DV battery, paraphernalia, and a DUI. Each of them is punishable by up to a year in jail. Your bonds on the paraphernalia and DUI are already set at 1,000. I find probable cause for all 3. And there's probable cause for the battery as well. Well, I already said that. Let's see what his history, prior history. Do we have a victim?
The victim does want contact.
Does want contact? All right, I'm setting the bond on the battery at 1,000 as well. If you post bond, you can have contact with the alleged victim, but it cannot be violent contact. And you may not own, use, or possess any weapons while the charges are pending. You understand?
Does that include a knife, like a pocket knife?
Yes,
That
no
I carry for
weapons.
work? All right, all
It
right.
includes anything you could use as a weapon.
All right.
Okay? All right. No weapons.
When
Raheem,
is the court date?
empty, court date.
June 5th.
June 5th.
Does he want a public defender?
Oh, I didn't ask. You want a PD to represent you?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire one?
No, sir.
Public defender's appointed.
Okay.
Raheem, empty. All right, Mr. Empty, you're here on a warrant issued by Judge Harb. No bond for violating your felony probation. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this?
I got one.
You got one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is it?
Larry Shear.
Say it again.
Larry Shear.
Larry.
Larry Shear.
Larry Schurer? Okay, talk to your lawyer. You'll be held no bond on this VOP charge.
When's my next
Stephen
court date?
Farmer. Huh?
Steve, my court date.
Oh,
June 16th.
June 16th. Stephen Farmer.
Yes, sir.
You're charged with possession of cannabis and paraphernalia, each of them the first-degree misdemeanor punishable by a year in jail, and multiple retail thefts over a period of time that all added up to a second-degree felony punishable by up to 15 years in state prison. I've reviewed the affidavit. I find probable cause for all charges. You're on active felony probation in...
I'm on misdemeanor probation.
Misdemeanor probation. and 25 mm 1290. You're remanded to custody on that charge to be held no bond because it's a VOP. I'm setting bond on your new charges at $1,000 on the 2 misdemeanors and $15,000 on the second-degree felony. Would you like a lawyer to help you with all of this?
I'm supposed to go to a 30-day inpatient rehab starting June the 1st, so there's no way possible to do that.
Sounds like you messed it up. So would you like a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defenders appointed. Wilney Florable
Yes, sir.
is, okay, you're charged with paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by a year, methamphetamine, third-degree felony, punishable by 5 years, and FDA on a warrant. The judge on that directed ROR, if I recall.
With a good address.
With a good address. Do you have a good address?
I live in Arkansas.
All right, the bond set on that at $1,000. Your bond on the methamphetamine is set at $5,000, and on the paraphernalia at $1,000. Do you have a lawyer to help you with this?
I have a lawyer in Arkansas, but I don't have a lawyer here.
All right, well, you need a lawyer on your Florida charges. You want me to appoint you one?
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
You can put me one.
Public defenders appointed. Mendoza, or Daniel Gonzalez Mendoza. Okay, you're charged with paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by a year, and methamphetamine, punishable by 5 years. It looks like you also may have an ice hold. No?
May have what?
No, there is no ice hold. Okay, I'm setting your bond on the misdemeanor at $1,000 and on the felony $5,000. There's probable cause based on the paperwork. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, I have nothing to do with this, but yeah, I need a lawyer, I guess.
All right, public defenders appointed.
Just by assuming, you can't arrest somebody by assuming things.
Okay, public defenders appointed. Let's see, Artine Hall,
Yes.
you're charged with domestic violence battery, first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by a year, and assault, a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by 60 days in jail. I find PC based on the affidavit. Do you need a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defenders appointed. Bond-wise, let's see what we got. Extensive history, huh? Oh, that's not it, is it? Yeah, other history. How much more of this is there? Okay. All right, do we have any victim input?
We cannot go on.
No. Setting your bond at $2,500 on the battery and $1,500 on the assault. If you post bond, no contact with the victim, you have to live somewhere else, no weapons, No contact from this point forward unless a judge tells you otherwise. And while this is pending, you cannot own, use, or possess any weapons. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want an attorney to help you with this?
Yep.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
Public defenders appointed. Alan Haygood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Haygood, you're charged with a grand theft, third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in state prison. Setting your bond at $5,000. You need a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
Public defenders appointed.
Thank you.
Courtney Johnson. You're charged with trespass, a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail. You need a lawyer to help you with this?
No,
No? You want to take care of it yourself?
a public defender or
Yeah,
Yes,
that's a
sir.
lawyer. That's a
A lawyer.
lawyer. You want PD? Hello?
He's
Okay. What do I need?
Okay.
E-N-M-A.
All right, very good. Public defenders appointed to represent Mr. Johnson. You have a couple of open misdemeanor cases, 26 MM 2906, 26 MM 1227, no bond.
They're M8 cases.
Huh?
They're M8 cases.
Oh, they're MA cases?
Yes, sir,
So what do we do with
they're
those?
Sir?
What do we do with those?
They're not eligible for partnering.
Right.
And I know that he is currently found to be incompetent to proceed. So I'm just assuming the court would.
Well, I guess I set a new bond on the new charge of 1,000.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then we don't do anything with the M8 cases?
No, well, they're just not eligible for
Or
partnering.
anything?
Yeah.
Okay. New bond, your bond is 1,000, PD's appointed, probable cause based on the affidavit. Okay. Tyler Keene, I've got Amelia Jump, but she posted bond. Okay, Tyler Keene.
Yes,
You're
sir.
here on an arrest warrant issued by one of our judges, Judge Patey. She set your bond at no bond. It's on a violation of probation. You'll be held no bond on that. You need a lawyer to help you with this.
Yes, sir.
Public defenders appointed.
What's my court date?
We have June 22nd.
June 22nd. Joseph Knight. Mr. Knight, you're charged with second-degree misdemeanor trespass, punishable by 60 days. First-degree misdemeanor paraphernalia, punishable by a year. Third-degree felony, possession of methamphetamine, punishable by 5 years. There's PC based on the affidavit. Your bonds are already set at $250 on the M2, $1,000 on the M1, and $5,000 on the F3. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defenders appointed.
Did you say 2,000?
Huh?
Did you say 2,000?
No, they're already set, 250, 1,000, and 5,000, according to the defendant here. So I'll leave them as set. Laidler,
Yes, sir.
you were arrested for violating your probation. There's probable cause based on the affidavit, based on a positive test for marijuana while you were on probation. You have no bond on that. Do you want a lawyer to help you?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defenders appointed, there is PC. Let's see, I've got,
And then when is my next court date, Your Honor?
sure,
June 15th.
June 15th.
All right, thank you.
We do Tyler McLean already? We did, didn't we? Yeah, we did.
Yes, at the South
Yeah.
Jail.
Okay. Ivan Perez?
Yes, sir.
Ivan Perez.
Yeah.
All right, there's a warrant, a capias, no bond, issued by Judge Hill in your case, so you'll be held no bond on the VO based on Judge Hill's warrant, which establishes probable cause. Do you have a lawyer already on this, or do you need one appointed?
I think I have a PD already.
Just to be on the safe side, they're appointed if they're not already, okay?
All right. When's my next court date?
June 3rd.
All right.
9th.
Appreciate it.
Sorry, June 9th. Okay. Jarrett, we already did that. Okay, Prince, okay, let's see what's next. Rodriguez Santiago? No. Is that right?
Santiago.
Good afternoon, John.
Oh, I'm sorry. Santiago Rodriguez Abella. Okay, sir, you also have an arrest warrant issued by Judge Kaler for violating your probation. She said no bond on that, so you're going to stay no bond on the VOP until you see Judge Kaler. Do you need a lawyer to help you with this?
No, I've already got one.
Got a lawyer? Okay, then. Your next court date is?
Judge, there's an attorney.
Okay, are you Jonathan Vega, counsel? Are you representing Mr. Rodriguez? Yes? Okay, did you hear what I just said?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes?
Okay. Yes, Judge.
Okay. So it's a DOP issued by another judge with no bond. The court date is?
June 2nd.
June 2nd. That's his court date, okay? All right. All right, your attorney will be in touch with you, sir. There is
Thank you, Your Honor.
PC based on the warrant. How about Felix Santiago Hernandez? All right, you're charged with driving on a suspended license, a second-degree misdemeanor punishable by 60 days. I'm setting your bond on that at $500, but that violated your probation, your felony probation. You'll be held no bond on the felony VOP. There is probable cause for all of it. Would you like a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
Public defender is appointed.
All right.
John Saxby,
Yes, Your Honor.
you're here on a warrant issued by somebody. Can read that. Anyway, it's a judge, and the judge set no bond, so you're going to be held on the no bond warrant, which itself establishes probable cause. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you afford to hire your own lawyer?
No, Your Honor.
Public defender is appointed.
Can I get my next court date, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
June 16th.
Huh?
June 16th.
June 16th. You can
Thank you,
tell
sir.
them. Okay?
Okay.
It's all right by me. Okay.
Bless you.
Gavin Smith.
Sylvan?
Miss Sullivan? Miss Sullivan, sorry.
Sullivan?
All right, Mr. Sullivan, you're here on a domestic violence battery, a first-degree misdemeanor punishable by a year in jail. There is probable cause based on my reviewing the affidavit. Do you have a lawyer? Do you want one?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you afford to hire your own?
No, sir.
You said no?
No,
Or
sir.
yes? I can't hear
No,
you.
sir. I can't.
Okay.
I can't afford it. No, sir.
You have victim input?
Input? No, no, sir.
Okay. Okay, the alleged victim wants to have contact with you, but has some concerns. I see that. Does he have a history? Okay, Mr. Sullivan, I'm setting your bond at $1,500. If you post bond, it'll be as a condition of pretrial release. You'll have no contact with the victim. That means no phone calls, no text messages, no nothing from this moment forward until a judge tells you otherwise. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have to find someplace else to live.
Yes, sir.
You may not own, use, or possess any weapons.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Court date, sir?
June 5th.
June 5th, okay. Gavin Smith? Okay, you have a DWLSR, second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days. I'm setting your bond at $500. That violated your probation. You'll be held no bond on the BOP. There's probable cause for both. Do you want a lawyer to represent you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you afford to hire one?
Yes, sir.
Public defenders appointed.
Can I have a court date, sir?
Court date.
June 5th and June 16th.
Thank you. Rakeem Smith.
Bonded, Your Honor.
Bonded. Kamare Stevens.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Stevens, you're charged with robbery without a firearm, a second-degree felony, punishable by up to 15 years in state prison. I find probable cause based on my review of the affidavit. Considering the nature of it, I'm setting your bond at $25,000. Would you like an attorney to help you with this?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own lawyer?
No, sir.
Public defenders appointed. Talibé Suleiman.
Yes, Your Honor.
You were arrested for violating your probation for having a dirty urine. There's no bond on that. There's probable cause based on the affidavit. And would you like a lawyer to help you with that?
Yes, sir.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No, I cannot.
Public defender is appointed.
When is the next court date?
May 26th.
Next week, May 26th.
Okay, can I ask one question real quick?
Sure.
When they arrested me, right, they arrested me inside the probation office so quick. I kept trying to tell them I had proof of receipt for me having a medical marijuana card, all kind of information in my phone that I could actually prove that I'm legally allowed to use this, but they just wouldn't give me a chance to use anything.
Well, you have a lawyer. That may make a difference.
All right. You said May 26th, right?
Yeah, May 26th. That's next week. Make sure your lawyer knows that between now and then.
Yeah, that's...
Tollison. All right, you're charged with paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor punishable by a year, and methamphetamine, third-degree felony, punishable by 5 years. Your bonds are set at $1,000 and $5,000 respectively. There's probable cause. Do you need a lawyer?
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
Public defenders appointed.
Court date, please.
June 23rd.
June 23rd. Chad Turner.
Hello, Your Honor.
Mr. Turner, you're charged with failing to notify the Department of Motor Vehicles of a change of address and driving on a suspended license. Each of those is a second-degree misdemeanor punishable by 60 days at a maximum. Your bonds are set on each count at $250. There's probable cause. Would you like a lawyer?
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
Not at this moment.
Public defenders appointed. Robert Vanetta.
Sir?
Yeah.
The appointment or the court date? Yes,
June 5th.
June 5th. And I can bond out, correct?
Right. Your total bond is 500.
Thank you.
Robert Vanetta.
Yes.
There's a no bond warrant issued by Judge Abdoni. You'll be held in custody based on that, which establishes probable cause. You need a lawyer to help you.
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
Public defenders appointed.
Can I
Jorge
get the-
Vasquez?
Can I get the next court date?
Yeah, sure.
June 16th.
June 16th. Jorge Vasquez?
He's been done with it.
We've already done that one. Okay, sorry.
Kevin Williams.
Kevin Williams. Mr. Williams, you're charged with paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by a year in jail, and methamphetamine, third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Let's see.
I think he's a bringback from his Charlotte County, out-of-county warrant. And he was brought back for today, which would have been a week ago today. That
Okay, I don't see any reason not to set bonds on these charges, though.
No, that's Austin.
All right?
Austin, oh, I see, I have Austin Williams.
Just looking for my personality registration.
I don't know why he's no bond. Why is he no? I'm just curious. Because there's no bond shown on the sheet. Some of these, I was puzzled by why there were no bonds.
Sometimes pre-trial will hold up for things, but.
All right.
Oh, he's had 3+ arrests in the last 6 months, so that's something that holds him. He's had 3+ arrests in the last 6 months, that's something. that
Well,
holds him.
nonetheless, on these charges, 5,000 on the methamphetamine, 1,000 on the paraphernalia. Do you want a lawyer to help you with this, sir?
Yes.
Can you afford to hire your own?
No.
Public defenders appointed. And I think I skipped over one, but
I need
we
to-
already.
Your Honor.
Torres, did we already do Jared Torres? Or did he post? Yes?
I need to, I'm supposed to start work thing in the morning, and I don't think I'm gonna be there.
I don't think you are either, unless you
No,
post
but I just
bond.
wanna address it, that I'm gonna be in here.
Yeah, I gave you bonds, you can always post bond, but otherwise you'll be in here. Okay?
We did Torres.
We did Torres already? I'm out of people then. Are we done?
Yes, Your Honor, we have no more here.
Thank you all.
Yeah, I had a quick question
Uh-huh.
regarding the bonds on Barrero.
On who?
On Barrero, Angela. You said
You said 5,000, 1,000, and 500.